Hello and welcome everyone. If you are new to this channel, my name is Amit Patel and you are watching Musings with Engineers Live. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, then subscribe to this channel, because on this channel, I'm going to share all the ideas, insight, tools and tactics that will help you to go from whatever level you are currently in the software industry, okay, to the epic level of success. Okay, so if you have not yet subscribed, then subscribe to this channel and let us begin. Devatha, cloud security through blockchain or resource management in private cloud. Which project should I select between this? Select the project where you will do really good. Select the project where you know that you will excel. Okay. Look, companies, I have seen a lot of support engineers or a lot of infrastructure engineers who know a certain tool really well. Okay. They come to me, their salary is very high, they have everything that the company is giving, and even at a less experience, their salary is high. And I say why, and they want to jump into software development because they think, okay, this is going to give them a better salary. And I ask, you don't know software development, why do you want to jump into software development? So they tell me that no, my company is keeping me at this position, but company is keeping you there because you're doing a really good job, and that is the reason company is paying you higher than other engineers in support, or even higher than a software engineer in the beginning. Okay, so whatever you can do really well, pick that vocation that you can do. See, if you love football and you know how to play football, and just because there is an IPL in cricket, you don't go and start playing IPL where you are like, you're not even selected on the team. Okay, you are very good in football, but there is an IPL of football that few people watch, IPL of cricket that everybody watches. You don't suddenly go from football to cricket just because cricket is more popular. No. Okay, you be an expert in what you do. If you be an expert in what you do, everything is set for you. If you are out of college, get a job. There is no other thing. Do whatever you want to do, but first get a job. Okay. So thank you very much for coming live on this channel with me, Musings with Engineer. Next live will happen Thursday, 9:15 p.m. Thank you very much. Have a good day.